Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of drones. We're going to compare the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone with the DJI Mini 3. Both of these drones have some amazing features, but which one is the best choice for you? Let's find out. Let's start with the price. The Bwine F7 GPS camera drone is priced at $699, while the DJI Mini 3 comes in at $798. So in terms of price, the Bwine F7 offers a more budget-friendly option. Now let's talk about the camera. The Bwine F7 comes with a one-click detachable 4K video camera, featuring a 120 degrees FOV lens and a larger COM sensor. It also has a 3-axis gimbal and 5x digital zoom for stable and convenient shooting. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 allows you to film in 4K HDR video, capturing crystal-clear aerial shots with details in highlights and shadows. It also offers true vertical shooting for capturing tall landmarks. Both drones provide stunning imagery, but the DJI Mini 3's 4K HDR video capability gives it an edge in this category. Flight time is an important factor to consider. The Bwine F7 comes with 3 intelligent batteries, offering a total flight time of 75 minutes. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 provides up to 38 minutes of battery life. The Bwine F7 takes the lead in this category with its longer flight time. Wind resistance is crucial when flying a drone. The Bwine F7 has been tested for 6-level wind resistance and can handle windy conditions at high altitudes. It can even fly on a 2,000 meters peak and be controlled within a range of 3,000 meters. The DJI Mini 3, on the other hand, is resistant to 38 km/h winds, level 5. Both drones offer good wind resistance, but the Bwine F7's capabilities in high altitude and strong wind situations give it an advantage. Now let's talk about the GPS features. The Bwine F7 GPS drone has smart GPS capabilities, allowing it to automatically return when the battery is low, the signal is lost, or with just one key press. It also has features like flying along a set path and circling around a point of interest. The DJI Mini 3 also has GPS features, but it doesn't offer the same level of autonomous flight capabilities as the Bwine F7. If you prioritize advanced GPS functions, the Bwine F7 is the better choice. Lastly, let's discuss some additional features. The Bwine F7 comes with an app that allows you to share your FPV view on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. It also offers photo and video editing options with filters and background music. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 offers quick shots, which allow you to choose dynamic flight patterns and capture stunning views with panorama mode. Both drones have their unique additional features, so it depends on what you value more. Based on online reviews, the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone is praised for its stability in high winds, long flight time, and advanced GPS capabilities. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 is highly regarded for its crystal-clear 4K HDR video, improved signal range, and unique flight modes. And that concludes our comparison between the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone and the DJI Mini 3. Both drones have their strengths, and it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with longer flight time and advanced GPS capabilities, the Bwine F7 might be the right choice for you. But if you prioritize stunning imagery, 4K HDR video, and unique flight modes, the DJI Mini 3 has the edge. Remember to consider all the factors we discussed before making your decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.